Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and today we're talking about the days of the week in Chinese. So in our last video, we saw all about numbers in Chinese, and that's going to be very important for today. So there's 3 different ways of saying the days of the week in Chinese. But don't worry, because the formula is easy. The first way is by saying 星期 and then adding a number right next to it, depending on the day you're talking about. So for day 1, Monday, 1 is 一, so 星期一. Day 2, Tuesday, 2 is 二, so 星期二. Day 3, Wednesday, 3 is 三, so 星期三, and so on. 星期四, 星期五, 星期六. Now, for the 7th day of the week, we don't use the number 7, but instead we use the word 日, which means sun or day, and you can also use the word 天, which means heaven or day as well. So, Sunday can be said as 星期天 or 星期日. The second way is quite interesting because it is related to religion, and apparently it originated in Christianity, although nowadays it's simply a common way of saying the days of the week in Chinese. 礼拜. And then once again you add the numbers depending on the day, just like what we explained before. So 礼拜一 for Monday, 礼拜二 for Tuesday, 礼拜三 for Wednesday, and so on. 礼拜四, 礼拜五, 礼拜六, and Sunday, the same rule applies like in 星期天 or 星期日. You say either 礼拜天 or 礼拜日. The third way is probably the simplest, although you also follow the same rules as before. So you say 周, and you follow it with the correct number according to each day. So 周一, 周二, 周三, 周四, 周五, 周六. And the only difference is that you shouldn't say 周天, but 周日 for Sunday would be correct. What are the main differences, you might ask? To be honest, they're all very common. Although if we need to be technical about it, 星期 is the correct written form, although when people talk, they still use it once again. Since the Mandarin-speaking world is so big, it depends on what region you go to. In some regions, one way will be used more than the other. And I compare this to in English when people talk about sodas. In some regions, people call them sodas. In some others, people call them Coke. And in some other regions, people call them pops. So, in Rome, do like the Romans. Let us know in the comments which way is your favorite, whether it is 星期, 礼拜, or 周. And also let me know, because I'm quite curious, do you rather use Coke, soda, or pop? Check out tutorming.com for more in-depth Chinese learning, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!